Hello friends, it's time for a new episode of video recipes from my channel. Now it's time to make an aromatic butter. For this recipe we need 250 grams of salted butter. You see a little green thing on the top. This is actually some large bud that is chopped. Use half of the large bud, large bud that is, and chop it very thin. You can use also from the evergreen tree in the spring when they are soft to get a nice flavor to your butter. We have here 8 black olive that I cut it from the seed. I can tell you is even more tastier from the one with seed, to cut the olive from it, and half lemon slice to remove a little from the fattiness feeling from the butter. So we're gonna mix it all the ingredients together with a tablespoon without the lemon that we're gonna add it at the end. The butter should be at the room temperature, let it around like 2 hours before outside to get it moist, so you can mix it in a paste, and I'm gonna show you after the next steps. And also have here 6 leaves of wild garlic. If you don't have wild garlic, you can use the green garlic like the spring onion is, but the garlic version. So let's begin. We mixed well all the ingredients. Now it's time to squeeze the lemon juice inside, and we're gonna mix it 1 more minute. Okay, I finished to roll my aromatic butter. The shape should look like this. If you don't know how to roll it, you can check my other video recipe with the salmon paste from before. And if you like, I hope you like this video, you can use this butter to add the grilled meat. You can use even at pasta to put on top of the pasta when the pasta is ready, and you mix it with different type of meat, even seafood and or fish. Also you need to put this before using in the fridge for at least 2-3 hours till it gets nice and firm. And if you don't use it within 7 days, you can use it cut in half and put the half in the frozen, and you can use it whenever you want. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you want to see more videos from me on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, to press the notification bell, so you're gonna see when I'm gonna put a new video on my channel. Till then, I hope gonna see together in the future. Have a good day.